Hello everyone, myself Karthik. Today discuss about my project name is speed control of DC motor using MOSFET based on chopper. There are various processes to control the motor. Here to discuss one topic to control the DC motor using step down chopper. Chopper is one of the power electronic topic. There is a no in case of power electronic devices there is no rotational losses. The heat will be reduced. The maintaining size of the device will be reduced. The main purpose of the chopper, the heat will be reduced in the circuit. Chopper is a DC to DC converter that converts a fixed DC input voltage to variable DC output voltage. These are widely used in a regulated switching power supplies and DC motor drives applications. Mainly three types of chopper. One is a buck converter. It is a step down chopper, and boost converter. It is a step up chopper. Buck boost converter. It is a step up and step down chopper. This project it mainly consists of 220 volts by 12 volts step down transformer, one of the DC motor, and 10k variable 10 kilo ohm variable resistor, and 12 volts battery. One is a MOSFET, another one is a 4 diode rectifier, and one is a capacitor is a 10 microfarad, another one is 100 microfarad. This is a 0.01 microfarad. This is IC555 timer. In IC555 timer there are 8 pins, mainly consist one is a 1 key, it is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. It is a constant. It consists of 3 terminals: drain, gate, source. It is very useful for our project because high switching frequency, medium power levels, and high dV by dt needed to be handle the diodes. High full load efficiency needed. Of two windings, one is a primary winding, another one is a secondary winding. Primary winding is a 220 volts and secondary winding is a 12 volts. The secondary winding of the transformer is connected to the diode bridge rectifier. These are 4 diodes is connected in bridge type. The capacitor is connected in parallel to the bridge rectifier. This is a 10 microfarad, and primary winding of the transformer is connected to the 220 volts of the AC supply, single phase AC supply. It can be switched on the supply. The motor can be run. The resistance will be increases. The motor speed will be decreases automatically. Finally, this is my project. Thanking you, all of you.